Imagine a world where objects self-assemble, adapt, and transform over time. That's not science fiction, it's 4D printing. As the dawn of a new technological era breaks, we find ourselves on the precipice of something extraordinary. 4D printing, an emerging additive manufacturing technology, is redefining the boundaries of creation. Born from the roots of 3D printing, 4D printing takes a step further by introducing time as the fourth dimension. It's a realm where printed objects don't just sit there. They evolve, adapt, and transform. This is achieved using an innovative medley of shape memory materials, responsive polymers, and programmable structures. Imagine printing an object that can change its shape or function over time. That's 4D printing for you. The transformation can be triggered by various factors like temperature, humidity, light, or mechanical stress. It's like the objects have a life of their own. So that's how 4D printing came to be. But where are we now in this journey? 4D printing isn't just a concept, it's a reality, and it's transforming our world right now. Indeed, the fourth dimension, time, is giving a whole new meaning to additive manufacturing. Imagine a world where objects can self-assemble, adapt, and transform autonomously in response to environmental stimuli. That's the magic of 4D printing. It's happening right now in fields as diverse as smart textiles, biomedical devices, aerospace components, and infrastructure systems. We're talking about dynamic and adaptive structures that can change shape or function over time, triggered by factors like temperature, humidity, light, or mechanical stress. For instance, a 4D printed textile might change its thermal properties in response to external temperatures, keeping you warm in winter and cool in summer. A biomedical device could adapt its shape to better perform its task within the human body. Impressive, isn't it? But hold on, because the future of 4D printing is even more exciting. It's time to gaze into the crystal ball and see what the future holds for 4D printing. Imagine a world where our clothes adjust to the weather, bridges repair themselves, and spacecraft adapt to the harsh conditions of outer space, all thanks to 4D printing. It's not a far-off fantasy, but a future that's within our grasp. As we venture into this new frontier, we're looking at the potential to create more intricate and efficient systems, but it's not without its challenges. From perfecting the technology to developing sustainable materials, there's much work to be done. Yet, the potential impact on various industries and our daily life is immense. In healthcare, 4D printed devices could revolutionize patient care. In aerospace, components that adapt to changes could make space exploration safer and more efficient. And in our homes, imagine furniture that transforms based on your needs. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is certain: 4D printing is set to redefine the boundaries of possibility. So, there you have it. From its dawn to today's reality and future prospects, 4D printing is truly transformative. The world of 4D printing is vast and exciting, and we're just scratching the surface. Stay curious and keep exploring the fourth dimension.